subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei launched its new affordable phone under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy 70, with quiet unique rear camera module. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70 features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with AOD support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center, that houses an 8-megapixel selfie shooter, with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone sports a dual camera setup under rectangular module at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Huawei Enjoy 70 comes powered by an unspecified octa-core processor, which is believed to be Kirin's 710A chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB via nano memory card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Harmony OS 4 Skin out of the box, and it is backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with an additional Enjoy X button that allows to open commonly used apps. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.3 by 77.7 by 8.93 millimeters, and it weighs around 207 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70 has been priced in China for 128 GB storage variant at 1,199 Chinese yuan, while the 256 GB storage option is priced at 1,399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in emerald green, snowy white, and obsidian black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 70 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Oh,